Hi everyone, hopefully everyone knows me. I'm Toni Shepherd, Service Lead. So we've been exploring different ways of communicating with staff, and I know that you all get bombarded with so many emails, and we want to try and create a more personable way of sharing information, hence the video. Any feedback we can have would be really appreciated. It's my first time, so bear that in mind. So one of the things I wanted to talk to you about was Always events. So last year we were asked to find out what our families always wanted to happen. An Always event is something that happens all of the time. It shouldn't be seen as an event, it should be seen as the norm. It should be about patients, the services we use, and they should also be included in producing that. So co-production is a really important part of Always events. So last year, some of the staff went in the park, and I understand it was a rainy and windy day, and we asked families what did they want. So the themes of from that came back as easy access into our service, improved communication, individualised and personalised care, and reduced wait times. So as a result, we introduced the Health and Wellbeing Hub for school-aged children so that they could just drop in and speak to a school nurse and get that care that they needed. School nurse posters, school nurse uniform pilot to make them more visible in schools, and the Involve group, which is really crucial in us getting the feedback from the young people who use our service to see how well we're doing it. So this year we plan to focus on dads. We need to understand how we can involve dads, we need to understand what the service looks like for them and how it is to receive our care. So we're going to be doing some questionnaires and perhaps some focus groups. More information will follow about that once we know a little bit more. The idea is to identify improvements for dads as well. Also just wanted to mention what matters to you. A few weeks ago we sent some emails out to ask you to find out from families what mattered to them. It's a very easy thing to ask as part of a conversation, and we're going to use that information to really think about how we can shape our services. Didn't get much feedback from that, so we're hoping to relaunch it from today, and then we commence on the 15th of July. We're going to ask you to ask everyone that you meet what matters to them. Really easy question. Hopefully we'll get some really good information back. We also want to know what matters to staff, so we'll be doing some further engagement throughout the year to really understand what it's like to be part of our service. The idea is to improve the services for families and staff. So that's all I had to say. As I say, if you want to give me any feedback about how we're sharing the information or a different approach, more than welcome. And as always, your feedback's really important.